Ano? Labo nyo naman, hindi ko kayo maintindihan, no? Porkit ayaw isa maglaro ng Monopoly, pati kayong dalawa, ayaw nyo. Bakit? Kapit-kapit pa ang mga bituka natin? Hoy, sweetheart, baka masobrahan ka niyan, maging kakulay kita.
Medyo tante nga ako eh.
Talking about suntan, I'm gonna give you some tan.
Hindi. Wag. Ako na lang. Hi, Wally! Hi.
Hello.
How's my friend?
Surviving.
How about you?
Fine. But now, I'm confused.
Ikaw talaga. Take care of my friend, ha?
Sure.
Bye. See you around.
I hope I won't see you anymore. I love... Sweetheart, punta mo sa mataling all on my body, oh. Sige na, oh. Biscuit naman, oh. Come on, I'm waiting.
Sure, Wally. I'd love to.
Yay! Ha? Dahil bakit?
Sabi mo lagyan kita ng tanning oil. Eh, diniligyan kita.
Let me explain, sweetheart. That girl...
Is your girlfriend.
Correction. My ex-girlfriend, my former, and we're finished kaput, okay?
Walter, sandali lang.
Bakit?
Let's turn around. Doon tayo pumunta, mas maganda view roon.
Oo nga pare, siguro nga mas maganda nga doon.
Ay, hindi pa natin na-explore yung parting yun eh, oh. Tara.
Kayo talaga, oh. Pare-pareho naman lahat yan, eh. Doon na lang tayo, mas maganda ang scenery doon. Tingnan nyo.
Hindi pare, I think we really should go this way. Tama si Jessica.
Di bala na lang. Kahit sa north, sa south, sa east, or sa west, I don't care.
Jessica?
Ako rin. I don't care.
Ang gugulo nyo naman, oh. Sinabi lang na isa na doon tayo pumunta. Ayaw nyo na pumunta kahit saan. Ano ba akala nyo sa ating apat? Mga itik? Lagi magkakabuntot? Uwi na nga tayo ng Maynila.
Buti pa nga.
Umuwi na nga tayo kung uuwi.
Ano pa hinihintay natin dito? Pating.
Aray! Ikaw, ha? Pagpintiyan mo ka. Ito sa'yo.
Kawawa ka naman.
Hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came suddenly. Why she had to go, I don't know. She wouldn't say. I said something wrong. Now I long for yesterday. Also, ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have a very, very special guest. She's here in Manila to do a series of concerts. She just came from PICC and finished one of her concerts there. And we feel obliged to call her on stage to give us a number or two. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our very, very special guest for tonight, Miss Angela Bofill.
Parang kabalito na si Angela yun, oh.
like to sing a song of mine with someone from the audience. Does anybody here know my songs? Anybody at all? Oh, don't be bashful.
I do.
Oh, you do?
No, not me, her. She knows. She knows all his songs. She loves to sing it, actually.
Oh, really?
Her name is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Sarah.
Sarah, do you know this time I'll be sweeter?
Yeah.
Well, come on.
Give her a hand. I mean, she knows it, really. She knows it.
I believe you. All right.